Hello student, this video helps you to understand about nervous tissue, and we also take a look of basic structure of neuron, or we can also say as nerve cell. So here we start. Nervous tissue is ectodermal in origin. Nervous tissue is specialized to transmit messages in our body. Brain, spinal cord and nerves are all composed up of nervous tissue. Basically, nervous tissue comprises of neurons and neuroglial cells. Nervous tissue contain highly specialized cells called nerve cells or neurons. Neuroglial cell constitutes the rest of the neural system which protects and support neurons. Now we are going with neurons. Neurons are the structural and functional unit of nervous system. A neuron is a microscopic structure composed of three main parts, namely cell body, dendrites and axon. So next we discuss structure of neuron. This is the structure of neuron. Their body consists of three main parts. Number one is their cell body. Second part is dendrites. These small fibrous branches are called dendrites. The third part of neuron is single long extension of cell body called axon. So we start with cell body. Like other cells of the body, cell body of neuron possess nucleus and other cell organelles. The cell body contains cytoplasm with typical cell organelles and certain granular bodies called Nissls granule. We must mention about neuron that it contains Nissls granule. These Nissls granule consist of rough endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes, and these granules can be visualized by basic dye. These Nissl granules are quite prominent in neurons. Next structure which are found in neurons are dendrites. These short fiber-like branches are called dendrites. Short fibers which branch repeatedly and project out of the cell body also contain Nissl granules are called dendrites. These fibers transmit impulses towards the cell body. One thing you must notice about dendrites is that they transmit impulses towards the cell body. That means taking impulses from outside and forward it towards the cell body. So it receives information from other neurons through synapses. Next structure which is found in neuron is axon. Axon is a single long extension of cell body. The axon is a long fiber, the distal end of which is branched. Each branch terminates as a bulb-like structure called synaptic knob, which possess synaptic vessels containing chemicals called neurotransmitters. Axons provide length to the neuron. Each neuron has single axon. Axon is very important because it propagates impulses down from the cell body. An impulse is transmitted through synapses into next neuron. So this is all about neurons. Next we discuss neuroglial cells. These are the specialized cells found in brain and spinal cord supporting the neurons. Actually, neuroglial cells are packing cells present in the brain and spinal cord to support neurons. About more than 50% of all brain cells are neuroglial cells. They are undifferentiated cell with no Nissl granules. That means Nissl granules are not found in neuroglial cells. What are the basic function of neuroglial cell? Here we discuss. These neuroglial cells act as packing cells between the neurons. Next function is these insulate the adjoining neurons and help in the transmission of impulse. They provide nutrition to the neurons. These act as phagocytes and eat up the microbes. That means it cleans the nervous system. This is all about nervous tissue. Thank you.